I'm so glad that you're back. So let's continue. You already know that I'm a red bean fan, right? So I love red bean. I loved it in the mochi. I loved it in the chocolate from 7-Eleven that I showed you. And I just love red bean. So what did I buy? Red bean. I bought some red bean from a local shop. The shop did not have any name on it. I mean, it had a name. The shop had a name on it, but that was in Japanese. I couldn't read it. It was a random shop in Kamakura, and I bought these red beans. How to cook them, I don't know. What to do with them, I don't know. But I'm just obsessed with these red beans and I bought them. Next, I have more red bean. So these are two types of red bean paste that I bought. Again, how to eat them, I don't know. What to do with them, I don't know. How to cook them, I don't know. Let's see. I will keep you posted on these. Next we have this. I will open it for you. I bought it from the same shop in Kamakura. It's a red bean sweet. It's basically, you see here, there's some jelly. Transparent thing is a jelly, and then there are red bean pastes around. How to mix them and eat, I don't know. How to actually, what's the process to eat, I don't know. How it's supposed to taste like, I don't know. But I'm a red bean paglu and I bought it. Okay, so let's see how it goes. I'll keep you posted on that as well. When you're in Japan, or especially in Tokyo, please visit this street near Sensoji temple. It's called Kappabashi Street, and it has the best collection of ceramic, chopsticks, knives and everything. It's an entire street selling only this, and the things are almost all of them are handmade, and so they're not perfect. You'll not get them in bulk, like you can't buy 10 of one bowl or something like that, but they're so beautiful. And I think the real beauty of them is in the imperfections, and that's why we bought a few from there, and I will be showing it to you now. First one is this. So this is basically for my oats. I'm hoping I'll be eating my morning oats in these bowls. So beautiful, right? It's wooden. It's a wooden bowl. I don't know if it is microwave safe, but it is so pretty, and I'm willing to wash it because it's so beautiful. And then we bought a bread basket. So cute. Okay, yeah. There's one more thing here. It's a fridge magnet. Pretty. Okay, so this is the basket that we bought, bread basket. And this is from Kajiwara Kitchen Supply. See, you can see the name here, Kajiwara Kitchen Supply. And these are the two things that we bought from there. Basically, this one and this one. And then we went to one more shop. I don't know its name, but we bought a lot of things from there. First is this. It's a chopstick. And look at this. It's a man and a woman. It's hand painted on the chopstick. How beautiful is this? I mean, I don't know how someone can look at it. It's so beautiful. How can someone eat with this? I would not probably ever eat with this. Instead, I would keep it just like that. It is so beautiful. Look. Look, it's so beautiful. And the best part is it's not made in China. So it's made in Japan. You can see it here. You can see it here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's made in Japan and it's handmade by the shop owner. It's so beautiful and I love it. And I think it's a better souvenir that you can take from Japan to someone who's interested in food, is interested in ceramics or something like that, instead of buying all these things from Don Quixote, which are mostly made in China, which is not really Japanese, but these are handmade, made in Japan, and I love them. So pretty. For me, one for Deba. The man one is for him and the women one is for me. So cute. Can't wait for my Japanese meal, Japanese date night. Next we have this. It's can you guess what it is? It's a tiny thing. Oh my god, okay. They pack it so nicely for you so that it doesn't break or spoil when you reach here. And I love that about these shopkeepers. Okay, let's open it one by one. Can you guess what it is? There's one more. I'll show it to you. Can you see it? It's so pretty. It's so pretty. And this one. These are basically chopstick holders. So while you're eating your ramen or sushi or something, and then you have your chopstick and you rest them on these. These are also again handmade. I don't remember which shop I bought it from, but there are so many shops in Kappabashi Street which sell these, and you can buy them. And I think these are cutest gifts for someone also, and also for yourself. You can buy them and keep them in your house. Next we have again from Kappabashi Street. They pack it so well, man. I mean, I'm amazed. Can you see this plate? It's so beautiful, right? It has Mount Fuji on it and a cute dinosaur on it. I love it, and you can see it here. It's made in Japan. And then we have one more. I love it. It's so cute. Can you see it? I think these are the ones you should actually buy from Japan, all these ceramics, because they're so cute, and that will always remind me of my Japan trip. And the day probably that these break, I will cry. I will cry a lot. I love them. It's so cute. Then we have these. These are basically bowls which... It's so nice and it's so beautiful that now I'm regretting buying only two, and I'm just thinking maybe I should have bought more. Look at it. It has a bird inside, and then outside it has the same design. These are basically rice bowls. It's so beautiful. And then this is mine, this color, and this one is Deva's. So beautiful, right? Look at it. It has this tiger outside, and it's all hand painted, made in Japan by the locals. So pretty. I love them. I love them. And do you know how much these cost? This one cost 9.98, so around 4 euros. No, 5 euros. And this one, the other one, the tiger one, costs 1,098. So again, around 5 or 6 euros, which is, I think, very cheap for handmade stuff, and I love them. I'm always going to cherish them. And next is this again we bought from the same shop. I thought they were broken for a minute. Okay, got a heart attack thinking that they were broken, but yeah, they've packed it nicely. It's not broken. I hope I don't break them. Yeah, these are both similar plate. Look at this, an entire painting on a plate. How pretty is this? Oh my god, I cannot. And now I'm regretting not buying more of these. I bought 2 of these. See? How pretty, right? And then again, made in Japan. I just regret not buying more of these. So yeah, we only bought like 2 chopsticks, 2 plates, 2 bowls, and then 2 of these pickle plates and 2 chopstick holders. I really regret not buying more. That was a stupid decision. And then we have the last thing. These are basically knives from Kamasa. We bought 2, and I will not open it. Let Deba open it because he loves cooking, he loves knives, and he bought these. So not for himself but for the house, but I want him to show it to you. So when he's back, he will show it to you. And then we have this one, the last one. Oh. These postcards from Katsuoji temple. So you already may have seen the video where I put in how we go like step by step and built these Daruma dolls. with the stamp rally, and this is so beautiful. It's bent a little, but I think that's okay. We will probably frame it and then it'll be fine. Next we have two Daruma dolls that we have bought. They're basically fortune Darumas. You cannot draw eye on them and do all that ritual, but we have written our wishes, what do we hope for, our goals behind these Daruma dolls, and I'm hoping that all our wishes and all our goals come true, and then we go back to Japan one day to I don't know, leave these Daruma dolls in the temple, in the Katsuoji temple. So yeah, I'm hoping for that. This one, this tiny trinket charm that we got again from Katsuoji. It's so beautiful and cute. And that's all from my Japan haul, and I hope you loved it. Hope you enjoyed seeing all of this as much as I loved showing it to you. And thank you for watching it. And if you need something like a link or the shop name or the cost or something, please let me know in the comments, and see you. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe.